In our main story that I'm calling the Mother Lode,
we encounter world-class spotted bass and some incredibly interesting weather at Buller's Bar in NorCal. Who will win? The weather, the spots, or us? You hardcore sticks should hang around and find out. Later we'll catch up with Bass Tackle Depot Pro Preston Hinson and talk about the drop shot techniques that they're using. So thanks for hanging with us today. Let's see how the Buller's Bar barrage will play out.
My name is Jamie Cyphers. I'm from Cedar City, Utah, and we're in Northern California this week, and we're chasing a world record spotted bass. We're on our way to kind of a out of the ordinary, off the beaten path lake called Buller's Bar.
Buller's Bar is kind of this not very talked about reservoir. Not a lot of people have heard about it, but the bottom line is there is a new world record spotted bass in this lake. And the word's growing fast, so we wanted to make sure we were out there before anybody else is really catching on to this and see if we couldn't get on some of these monster spots.
It should be a good day. We've got some elements. We've got wind, we've got rain, but a lot of times guys don't go out. You know, people don't go out in the elements on those kind of conditions. And bottom line with big spots is they chew on nasty days.